you're a woman who wants to start earning online in 2026, then let me tell you, social media management is one of the best skill to get started with. Now, a lot of you would say this thing, but this market has been saturated now. There are a lot of social media managers, so much competition is there, and now robots are also there to compete with us, AI, right? But let me tell you, there was always the competition in the market, whether it's about job or about business. The best thing is businesses are increasing day by day. It means all the businesses need content, visibility, branding, someone who can take care of their social media, right? So now you tell me, the demand is increasing or decreasing? Of course it's increasing. And the best part is you can start working from your home. You just need laptop and internet, and you can make around 1 lakh rupees out of the same. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to start as a beginner, what skills you actually need, how to get clients, and how to position yourself properly. For those who don't know me, I run a marketing agency with my husband, and we help coaches and founders in scaling their businesses online using the power of content and ads. And over the years, I have noticed something. There are a lot of women like me who wants to get started something online, but they don't know from where they should get started with, because there's a lot of information have been available in the market. Understand this thing, you don't need a lot of followers or a lot of experience to get started as a social media manager. You just need one skill, consistency, and willingness to learn. That's it. Step 1, decide what type of social media manager you want to be. See, there are 3 ways through which you can start working as a social media manager. Number 1 is freelancing. Number 2, you can work in-house. Third is you can work with an agency, right? And each one of them has different pros and cons. So if I'll talk about freelancing, so the pro is you are having the flexibility over here. You can work anytime from anywhere. You are your own boss, right? But with the flexibility, there would be a lot of responsibilities that would be coming on your shoulder, because you are the person who would be taking care of each and every communication in terms of execution, strategy, communicating with your clients. This journey is full of pressure as well as loneliness also, because you only have to decide everything. So sometimes the income can be high, low, so a lot of instability. But if you are someone who can be responsible enough and who is okay with all of this, then this is one of the best one, because over here your income keeps on increasing as per your work. But if you are someone who is looking for stability, so initial stage pay, I won't be suggesting you this thing. Number 2, in-house social media manager. So over here you work in a company as a social media manager. You take care of each and everything. The best thing about in-house is you just have to focus on one thing, right? This is not a lot of brainstorming you need to do. It gives you stability, but of course you won't be getting the flexibility over here. But it's good if you are looking for the stable income. The con is like sometimes it feels boring because you're just working on one brand, and there is a boundary that you need to follow. When you work with a brand, you can't be you can't put all of your creativity over there. So that is something you need to adjust with. So if you're looking for the stability, it's a good option, but if you're looking for freedom and flexibility, so of course not. So third is working with an agency. So this is one of the best way to get started with, because over here you learn a lot of things with a less period of time. So it's great for your portfolio and for your resume. You work with like-minded people, you learn about communication, execution, systems, right? This is something you can't learn individually. But if I'll talk about the cons, so there's a lot of pressure because you have to handle multiple projects, you have to interact with multiple clients, multiple team members, right? A lot of deadlines. So if you are someone who can't work under pressure, so it's not good for you. But if you can handle the pressure, and if you're looking to learn and scale yourself in a short period of time, so it's one of the best place to get started with. Number 2, choose your niche properly. This is the common mistake that beginners make. I work with everyone. No, you need to decide the industry you want to work with. For example, makeup artists, cafes or local businesses, coaches, consultant, creators, whatsoever industry you want to work with, you enjoy working with, just decide that thing. So first thing, the industry needs to be specific. Second of all, just choose one platform. There are multiple social media platforms now: Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, right? So just choose one platform, and the easiest platform is Instagram if you're just getting started with, and start providing the services regarding the same. Don't go with the multiple platforms, multiple offering. No, just one platform, one industry, one platform, one service. What I mean by one service is, if you're someone who is good in editing, then you can provide the same service, right? Don't offer multiple service. To one person you are selling Instagram management, to someone else you are selling LinkedIn management. No, you won't be able to handle this thing. So please use this 1-1-1 formula. Number 3, build a portfolio. I know you're just about to get started, so you haven't worked with anyone, you are not having any experience as well. That's okay. Just create a new page, create some content towards the same, take the screenshot, put that thing into your portfolio. So this is how you can create your portfolio at the initial stage. Or else you can work with beta clients where you would be handling someone else's page for 15 to 20 days, and in return you can ask for the testimonial. The service would be free of cost, more like barter system. So these are the few things that you can do to create your portfolio. You just have to focus in collecting 3 testimonials. One is, you can work with beta clients. Second of all, you can create your own profile and you can showcase that work as well. So combine all of this and create a portfolio. See, clients don't always look for the experience first. They see what kind of work you can bring, what kind of efforts you can put, what kind of knowledge you hold as a person. So don't be like, first of all, I need to create my profile, gain 10,000 followers, then I'll be, starting giving my services. No, you don't have to. Again, reminding you, you don't need a lot of followers to provide social media management service. Number 4, start pitching and start outreaching. Over here, what you can do, you can reach out to few people, like whatsoever service you are providing. If you are providing LinkedIn management, you can reach out over LinkedIn, whatsoever niche you would be targeting. For example, you want to work with founders, so you can start reaching out to founders over the LinkedIn. If you want to work with makeup artists, you can start reaching out over the Instagram for the same. So once you have decided your industry, your services, the niche, so this is the next step you need to go for. Understand this thing. Don't be like, okay, people would be going to message me for my services. No. At the initial stage, no one get inbound leads. What you just need to do, you have to do cold outreach. Now there are a lot of search bar system. You can search over the Instagram as well. You can search for LinkedIn as well. And you can message the people to whom you want to work with. And once you start making some money out of the same, then run ads and you can get the clients. So it's very easy to make money. It's just about you need to be calculative enough. That's it. If I talk about myself, 5 years back, I have started my journey from this one skill, that is social media management. And let me tell you, so because of this one skill, I have achieved whatever I wanted to have in my life. I am living my dream life. I'm living to a beautiful place, at a beautiful home, with an amazing partner. And everything is of my choice. This is something I have manifested. So my queens, please don't wait for the perfect time. This is the perfect time. Yes, take the action. Start learning about one platform, start providing the services, and automatically you will start getting all of the things that you're looking to achieve. And the best thing is, you can get started by sitting at your home as well. So please, now you can't make any excuse, right? If you literally want to build a dream life of yours, then this is the best skill you can get started with. I keep on conducting few events for the females who literally want to become financially independent and want to start their journey as a social media manager. So you can just connect with me over my Instagram. Over here, you would be finding one scanner. So just scan it and you can follow me over there. And stay connected, because about all of my events, this is the first place where I update each and everything. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.